For FAL, the same FAL, right? 02.
Yeah, yeah. I think you go the same way and then, yeah. Session 428. They showed earlier, but
Mark function. So even low flow is also off spec, right?
yeah,
Low-
low flow will go off spec, but it will not be consequence will be different. Yeah, there will be no internal damage, but there will be off spec code. Yes.
Yeah, potential off spec crude.
Yes.
And to investigate the more flow, less flow now, and take off spec. What is response time here? Same. Response time. My friend.
Yeah.
Anwar,
Let's put the same. Let's put the same, boss.
I'm putting the same low here
Yeah.
because it doesn't have major things. So repeat.
Yes.
Repeat.
And
P3. LAH is triple column, right? LH 7091. Where is LAH 7091? This one on the bottom tray.
Yes, this is the liquid level here.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So why there will be level high if there is blocked outlet bottom side?
Black outlet again, yeah. There is
no.
There is a not only blackout. You can say because of this. In the outlet, why we didn't tackle the bomb damage?
We'll
I
see.
think we have bomb damage. I think we have.
We'll find out.
Yes, we have. It's already yes. We have dry run. No, we have it. I'm sure. But we didn't. No, here it's here.
You see here, LA 7091. 7091. This is the case here. Potential high level.
Open PCP. No. What? PCP. What is that?
What is PCP?